Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the health. What is the health and indicators of the health? Health is defined as the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of the disease or infirmity. This statement has been amplified to include the ability to lead a socially and economically productive life. Health cannot be measured in measurable form. Hence, measurements have been framed in terms of illness or lack of health. Consequences of health, ill health, morbidity, mortality, and economic occupation and domestic factors that promote ill health are the antithesis of health. Next is the indicators of the health. Indicator, also termed as the index or variable, is only an indication of a given situation or a reflection of that situation. Health indicators is a variable susceptible to direct measurement that reflects the state of health of the persons in a community. Indicators help to measure the extent to which the objective and targets of a program are being attained. Numerical indication of the health of a given population derived from a specified composite formula. Next is the indicator of health. Health status indicators measure different aspects of the health of a population. Examples include life expectancy, infant mortality, disability or chronic disease rate. Health determinant indicators measures things that influence health. Example include the diet, smoking, water quality, income and access to health services. Next is the characteristics. Valid, they should actually measure what they are supposed to measure. Reliable, the result should be same when measured by different people in similar circumstances. Sensitive, they should be sensitive to change in the situation concerned. Specific, they should reflect changes only in the situation concerned. Feasible, they should have the ability to obtain data when needed. Next is the relevant, they should the contribute to understanding of the phenomenon of interest. Next are the uses of indicator of health. Measurement of the health of the community, description of the health of the community, comparison of the health of different community, and identification of health need and prioritizing them, evaluation of health services, planning and location of health resources. Next is the measurement of health success. Next are the sources of the data. Census Act 1948, once in a decade, extended de facto conversion method used before 1931. Synchronous de facto conversion method used two phases house listing operations and population enumeration. Last census in 2011. Next is the source of data, the sample registered registration system, annual information at national and state level, continuously enumeration of the birth and death in selected samples unit, residents part-time, enumerators, Anganwadi worker or teachers, independent survey every 6 months by SRS supervisors, rural villages or a segment of it if populations is the 2000 or more. Urban, that is census enumerations block population 750 to 1000. National Family Health Survey NFHS 1 is come in 1992 to 93, NFHS 2 98 to 99, NFHS 3 to 2005 to 2006. District level household and the facility survey DLHS 1 98 to 99 and DLHS 2 2002 to 4, DLHS 3 from 2007 to 2008 and DLHS 4 in the 2012 to 13. So in today's class I discuss about the various characteristics of health and their indicators of health and also about the uses of indicator of health source of data. Thank you for watching.